Now, which of the following is true? So slogans, this you would have heard already, this Delhi Chalo slogan and Delhi Chalo slogan. Okay, Delhi Chalo, Chalo Delhi, and Delhi Chalo slogan or movement also you can call. So this actually both of them are correct. It's a similar thing, so we grouped it together. Okay, even in August of our time, we had a Delhi Chalo slogan and movement where people were following. And there is a quote, or sorry, a motto or a slogan you can tell which Subhash Chandra was told, Chalo Delhi, Delhi Chalo, that he told. So that is why both are correct. So the INC rejected the August offer. August offer happened in 1940. Okay, so what is August offer? And also a big topic that is in Spectrum we have taught you. And at its meeting in Wardha in August 1940, it demanded complete freedom from colonial rule. Okay, so Jawaharlal Nehru remarked that the dominion status concept was dead as a doornail. So this also sometimes you can ask, like, which British announcement or policy was called by Jawaharlal Nehru as like dead as a doornail. At that time it is again August offer. Okay, in the month of August 1940, they had given an offer. That is the thing. They had given like, okay, we'll give you dominion status and we'll give you some little bit right. But we by 1940, you know, we told that we don't want all this. We want complete freedom. That is why this concept is dead as a doornail. The League, that is Muslim League, also rejected this offer. Okay, that also UPSC will ask, like both the INC and Muslim League rejected, then it is true. Okay, saying that nothing short of partitioning the country would be acceptable to them. Okay. So after this, Mahatma Gandhi initiated the individual satyagraha to affirm the right to free speech. He avoided a mass satyagraha because he did not want violence. So this is a concept again UPSC has asked already. Individual satyagraha is related to which policy of the British? It is the August offer policy. Okay, so instead of like everybody together having hunger strike or satyagraha and all, Gandhi told, let's do individual satyagraha. And there are three important people given in your Spectrum textbook. The first one, these are the first three people, Vinoba Bhave, Nehru and Brahmadatta, in this order only. Okay, the first, second and third person to take individual satyagraha, and all three were jailed. Now the satyagrahis also started a march towards Delhi, which was called the Delhi Chalo movement. Okay, so that is how the Delhi Chalo fits into this policy. The movement failed to pick up steam and was aborted in December, meaning August they started, by December it failed and then we did not proceed. Then after the failure of August offer, the British offered what? British came with the Cripps mission. Okay, there was a Stafford Cripps person and another two people was there. They came to India to, again, because you know that time what is happening, 1939 onwards, World War II is happening. So World War II time, they wanted support from India. So obviously they'll keep giving offers. They'll tell you, okay, we'll allow 2-3 more people to come into the like the assembly. You can have voting right. You can have something like that. Each offer, right, has a different thing, and that is also a UPSC question. And in our all the Spectrum lectures, test series, everywhere it is detailedly covered. Okay, so you can watch it. It's completely free. The lectures are free. So like that, this also was rejected. This is the story of August offer. Now, on 2nd July 1943, right, Subhash Chandra Bose, where he is, he reached Singapore and gave the rousing war cry of Delhi Chalo. He was made the president of Indian Independence League and soon became the supreme commander of Indian National Army. He gave the country the slogan of Jai Hind. The name of the INS 3 brigades. Okay, so that army which he was forming had 3 brigades. Okay, so one was Subhash Brigade, then Gandhi Brigade and Nehru Brigade. Then there was a women's wing which was Rani Lakshmibai Brigade. Okay. Then the Indian National Army marched towards Imphal. Imphal is in Manipur. Okay. So after registering its victory over Kohima, after Japan's surrender in 1945, the INA failed in its effort. You know that the army, Indian Army from Singapore, they were through that northeast area trying to enter India. Okay. And they had the support of whom? Support of Japanese. Okay. But what happened, 1945, that USA will go and put nuclear bomb there, and Japan will surrender there. So obviously Japan will not be in a condition to even support India to now go and fight for a different freedom. Okay, because Japan themselves have failed to victory in their country. They didn't be able to do it. So they could not support another country to win somewhere else. Okay, so they surrendered, and that is why Subhash's army could not enter India, and we could not, else we could have got independence maybe 2 years before. Okay, in a little more different way, not like this British giving us something and going. We would have taken it from them. Okay, but it is failed, and after that Subhash went to Taiwan, and on his way to Tokyo he died on 18 August 1945. So there's also again debate is going on. There's a committee set up whether like he actually died or whether he lived after that for many years. Many rumors and stories are there, but there is no proven thing till now. Okay, there are many documentaries and even video clippings and all, but that and all is not believable unless the government approves it. Okay, so till now there is no approval come about a new story. The trial of the soldiers of INA was held at Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Bhulabhai Desai and Tej Bahadur Sapru fought the case on behalf of the soldiers. This is an extra information. Why I'm asking, telling, because that names of the soldiers, right, the important soldiers who were to be like trialed in Red Fort, that already asked by UPSC in 2022 prelims, I think. So that is very important. 3 people of 3 different religion, like Shahnawaz Khan, and then that I'm not sure of the other names. I think Dillon, one Punjabi, one Hindu name, one Muslim name was there. So that 3 people name list was UPSC asked, like UPSC put like who was the following is related to Indian National Army, and they gave some options. So this was the option. Now again, extra information I'm telling you. These 3 are the people who fought the case on the behalf of these soldiers. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhulabhai Desai, and Tej Bahadur Sapru.